How to cash out on FanDuel. If you want to cash out, first of all, cashing out is different from withdrawing your amount, right? So for withdrawing your amount, we've already made a separate tutorial. This cash out is for the bets that you have placed. So you open the FanDuel Sportsbook app and then you make sure that you're logged into your account. After you make sure you have logged into your account, now over here you can find the option called My Bets right at the bottom center. So simply go to the My Bets feature that you can see right over here. Once you come to My Bets, you can see open and active bets. So you have to simply look for the bets with the cash out option displayed. Just remember that not all the bets are eligible and depending upon the event and market. Now you can simply review the offer and check the cash out amount, which reflects the current status of your bet and live odds. Then once done, you can tap the cash out button, review the details and confirm to settle your bet instantly. Now there will be types of cash out. The first is the full cash out, which will settle the entire bet. The second is a partial cash out if available, which will withdraw part of your bet while leaving the rest active. And I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.